I'm sitting in a wheelchair. I'm fortunate. I'm a vet, but I don't need this wheelchair. But I work for many fellow veterans who do use wheelchairs because of spinal cord injuries or disease. They serve their country, but their country doesn't always serve them back. For example, in Western Pennsylvania, most of the vehicles that get the vets from their homes to the hospitals don't accommodate wheelchairs. It's just another barrier that paralyzed veterans have to overcome. Help these veterans out. Even though it's just one vehicle, your vote for the Keystone Paralyzed Veterans could get them the wheelchair-adapted van that they need to get more easily to and from at least one veterans hospital. Don't just thank a veteran, vote for the veterans, the Keystone Paralyzed Veterans.